it in cents here?
Net profit of the bank has grown by 41% and reached to 2,403 crores in June 24 quarter, is against 1,709 crore in June 23. The increase in net profit is based on the growth in operating profit by 9%, and the operating profit has reached to 4,502 crores in June 24, is against 4,135 crore in June 23. So operating profit growth was based on the NII growth, which has grown by 8% and reached to 6,178 crore, is against 5,703 crores. Besides the NII growth, there is a growth in fee-based income by 17% and reached to 788 crores from 671 crores. As a result of increase in profitability, the ROA, return on asset, increased to 1.20%, is against 0.95% in June 23. So ROE also improved to 19.76% and close to 20%, is again 17.88% in June 23. The business of the bank has increased by around 11%. The deposit has grown by 10% and advances have grown by 12%. Under deposit, the CASA has grown by 6%. In advances, growth of 12%, the RAM credit, retail, agri and MSME has grown by 13%. And we are having 62.30% RAM advances. Under RAM, the retail credit has grown by 14%. The agriculture credit has grown by 18%. And MSME, of course, has grown by 6%. But the standard MSME has grown by 11%. And the corporate credit has grown by 9%. But the standard corporate grown by 10%. So under retail, housing loan has grown by 13%. Auto loan has grown by 55%. Jewel loan has grown by 10%. The CASA, domestic CASA, bank could maintain 41% CASA in June 24, which was the same percentage in June 23. The CD ratio of the bank is 79%. The asset quality, there is an improvement in asset quality. The GNPA, which was 5.47% in June 23 and a 3.95% in March 24, is now 3.77%. Likewise, there is a reduction in net NPA. The net NPA is now 0.39%. 0.39% is against 0.70% in June 23 and 0.43% in March 24. The provision coverage ratio improved to 96.66%, close to 97%, is against 95% in June 23. So there is a from 95% to 97%. The slippage ratio was 1.5% in June 24, is against 1.57% in June 23. The capital adequacy is 16.47%, and with the profit of this quarter, it is 17% plus. So this is on a year on year. In fact, the performance is improved from quarter on quarter also. The net profit, which was 2,247 crore in March quarter, is now 2,403 crore. So QOQ growth of 7%. Likewise, the operating profit, which was 4,305 crore in March quarter, is now with a growth of 5%, 4,502 crore. The NII also grown on a QOQ basis by 3%, from 6,015 crore to 6,178 crore. The ROA, which was 1.15% in March, is now 1.20%.